Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a fun mani using Acrylic Fetish nail dips. We're going to be using these two colors here. That green is called Emmett and that beautiful chameleon glitter is called Eye of the Dragon, and it is beautiful. Now the lighting does not do these two colors justice. Wait till you see the end result of this mani. I'm sure you saw the mani in the little picture icon when you clicked on this video, but these two colors are stunning. Now, Emmett is a very deep mossy green with shimmer in it, and it is stunning. And those two colors together of Emmett and Eye of the Dragon are like no other combo I would have thought to compare it to. But Eye of the Dragon is such a stunning chameleon color changing glitter that honestly, that glitter could go with all different colors. So for today's mani, we are going to be using the gel method. Now you can see I worked a little bit backwards. I started with my pinky first because my thumbnail, the peel base, was still a little wet. So I'm working backwards and then we'll finish our mani starting with the thumb first. So I am going to be using the pour over method for Emmett, the green color. I just like to do the pour over method sometimes just to switch it up. And then we're going to be doing a really cool ombre with Emmett, and then we're just going to put Eye of the Dragon on the edge of the middle finger. So it's going to look really, really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in a little bit. All right, we're just wrapping up this mani here, and how pretty are these two colors together? I wish I had some more sunlight in this room so you could really get the full effect, because when you step outside and the sunlight hits these nails, it is a totally different mani and it is stunning. So I really like the chameleon changing dip Eye of the Dragon. I feel like the color shift on Eye of the Dragon is like no other chameleon dip I've ever used, because these glitters are tinier. They're not your normal chunky glitter. So I'll link everything in the description box below. Give this video a thumbs up. Definitely check out Acrylic Fetish. You can save on your first order with Welcome 15. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!